Hi guys, welcome to this Power BI tutorial series. In this video, I am teaching you from the starting to end Power BI classes. So in this video, you will learn the difference between the indexing column and the condition column in the Power BI with a real project example. So you will, in the end of this video, you will understand what is the indexing column and what is the condition column, how it will use. So if you open the Power BI, click on the Power Query, and if you reach there in this column, add a column from the ribbon bar and click here and click the indexing column. So if you click the indexing column, basically it is typically start from 0 or 1. You can start it from any number like 0 or 1. So click on the 1 and this indexing will be here on the your reports. So actually these are the often used for the create unique ID that can be used for the relationship between the tables, right? So these are the indexing column. Let's try to understand what is the conditional column. So in the same thing, if you open the Power BI, Power Query, and click on the add column, this is the first one is the conditional column. Click here on the conditional column. So conditional column basically allows to define the new field basis on the logic, rule, or the conditions. Let's take an example. If in our data, let's suppose quantity is of 1, so we can put the single as a single quantity. If quantity is greater than 1, so we can use it multiple item. If both conditions not fulfilled, we can use anything like others. So let's try to do it in the practical way. I'll open the Power BI or Power Query. In the Power Query, let's fetch data for it. So I have a data, sales data in my system. Let's try to fetch that sales data. Let's suppose sales data is 2021. Any data we can take. I'll open it. Okay, it's coming. Fine. Let's rename it. The sales data 2021. Backspace, enter. Right. Let's take another example. Paste this data 2022. Open. Yeah, this is the best example. Okay. Let's rename it. Sales data 2020. Okay, I will use this data. So click on the data will appear here. Go there in the add column. Let's take the indexing column here. If I click on the 0, so this data indexing will start from the 0. Let's try to click here. So see, it is starting from the 0 to 1, 2, 3 till the end of the unique number. So let's suppose I don't want this. I'll delete this column, remove it. Okay. So I'll give you one tips. So if I'll delete it from here, so applied step would be created, right? If I'll open the next time the Power BI, this applies step like added the column, deleted the column, so on. So it's become little a performance level issue might be happen if you will do lots of things like this. So for the back practice, what you should do, you should remove the applied step like this, like this. So the applied this step would not be created when you will open the Power BI, right? So let's do it. Indexing column, sorry, just delete it. Click on the drop down, select it from the one. So it is coming on the indexing from the 1 to whenever data is. So any row gives the one number. So we let's suppose I want this in the beginning. So what you do, you can drop and drag it here. If you don't want this, simply click here, move, move, move to the beginning. Where is that? Oh yeah, this one. Where's the beginning? We'll do one thing. I'll just drop it out here so that you can see the visually. Move, move to the beginning. So it's come in the beginning here, the indexing one. Okay. Let's take the another example for the condition column. So in the condition column, I'll open it. Yeah. Same thing. We click here in the condition column. Okay. First, you need to select it or the data. So let's take the order quantity is a one, is a single, two is a multiple item. We need to create a one more column after this. So click on the add column, conditional column. Okay. Let's put a name of it, the column name. Let's take the column name is quality type, quantity type, sorry, quantity type. Okay. And select the column where the column is giving the condition. So I have the column is the order quantity. So order quantity select from the drop down here, equal to 1, then output would be single item, right? And click more clause order quantity greater than 1, then multiple item, right? If both condition not fulfilled in any chance, like there's some issue like minus or 0 or something, then would come here other, right? And the OK. If you click the OK, one more column would be created here, and see, is it 2 the multiple, single is the one item, single is a white item, 2 is a multiple item, single item, single item. So it's become the conditional column basis on the order quantity. So this is the live example of the indexing column or conditional column. Let's do it your practice yourself. See you in the next video where I'll just help you to create a grouping from this data, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.